Hello, my name is Muzi Li. I'm here at the IMDEA Materials Institute, where I'm working as a postdoc researcher in the BIOMET4D project. This project aims at developing the next generation of biomedical implants. So let's go have a look at what I'm doing here in this exciting project. What's next again? Sorry. Let's start again. I'm from a material science background. I finished my university degree in China in material science and engineering. Then I moved to the UK for a master and PhD program. I did my PhD at Imperial College London. Afterwards, I moved here to Madrid at IMDEA Materials in the nanomechanics and micromechanics group under the supervision of Professor John Molina for the past 4 years. As I mentioned before, I work on the BioMET4D project. The members include myself, Blanca Limones, Guillermo Dominguez, and our project leader, Dr. Jennifer Patterson. Within the group, my role is to investigate the microstructure of the 3D printed materials, the corrosion properties, and mechanical property characterization. For me, the reason why it is so great working in this project is that I get to learn a lot. Although from a material science and engineering background, I've always been interested in biology and bioengineering. Here I can learn a lot from the experts from different aspects. I get to see the perspective from different institutes, for example, the bioengineering side and the hospital side. The challenge is to manage and balance all these different priorities. And I think that's what makes it fun as well. My objective here from this project is to understand the relationship between the microstructure, corrosion property, and the mechanical properties of the 3D printed magnesium and zinc in order to design an appropriate material and geometry that will be implanted in the human body safely.